All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we are live. What's going on, man? It's Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. Wednesday, July 9th. And slow start to the week so far. Had a very small green day on Monday, and then not a great red day yesterday. But as always, lots of lessons learned, and every dollar lost is just a tip into the tuition bucket, learning these lessons that are pushing us forward to become the trader that we know we can be. What up, Leon? Good morning, sir. Man, EVOK is the one this morning. It's just everything that I want it to be. Only thing I'm worried about is this day right here, but I mean, it's done so much volume this morning. I'm not even worried about it. Golly, slow down though, man. Back in the building is one. Yeah, I saw that. I couldn't find any information. No float, no news, so I just had to LIG it. The daily looks interesting, but I don't like the major sell-off after the pop. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, we got some room. This guy got slapped up here at 1231. Put a little line there. Thanks, Knives. What's up, Nova? Man, you're absolutely right, bro. Salute to that, man. Love that. Man, I'm just so happy to be here, bro. Be here hanging out with you guys, chasing my dreams. It's a beautiful place to be, man. It's a beautiful place to be. What's up, man? What's up, Joe? Focus on me in the building. Hit the like button for me, guys, on the way in, please. Please, please, please. Man, we hit that 1,000 subs yesterday, man. It was such an awesome feeling. And then I turned on the ads and I lost 7. So we're back in the 990s. Hope you guys don't mind the ads. I put them on low. I'm not trying to like make it a bad experience, but you know, this is part of the goal was to, you know, make an income from YouTube as well. And you know, it's not from you guys, it's from YouTube paying me for the ad revenue and all of that stuff. So hope you guys don't mind. It's just part of supporting the channel, and you know, I can tell the wife that I'm making a little money on YouTube too. It just makes it all a more beautiful thing, you know. So yeah, man, support your boy, please, por favor. Um, Man, I appreciate you, Leon. That's solid, bro. That's solid, man. Um, yeah, but all I got today, I got KZIA, which kind of died. Actually, all the way died. Has it even opened? Oh, we haven't opened yet. I'm tripping. Bro, EVOK is moving so much. I thought the market was open. What up, Trey? Now, what's the play on SCAG, man? I don't know what the play is, bro. So I don't have it up. I don't have it up. EVOK at 8. Yo, that's nice, man. Actually, that's kind of scary. I hope you do. I hope it works out. BTCT had used yesterday. Ooh, that looks great, actually. That looks pretty cool. Only got 700K volume this morning. How much volume was here? 11 mil. Probably not going to touch that today. Man, I know, right? What up, Rob? Yeah, I was looking at that too, Rob. That 1230 number. I'm I hope we go there, because EVOK is pretty much my main watch. I don't really have EVOK and KZIA, but I don't think I'm losing lots of hope that that's going to do anything. Hey, did you get that 9? 895, is that good enough, Focus? Quick scout. Nice work, man. Way to start it out. Yeah. Love it. Let me get my there we go. What was the news on it? I didn't see anything on Yahoo. All right, there is the bell. Come on and pull it on back, man. Pull it on back, bruh. You done did too much. Pull it on back. Oh yeah. Yeah, come on down. Come on home to the EMA. In at 845. Savage. Savage. Man. Sober is very interesting, but what's the news on it? Why is it moving? Yeah. There's like what's anybody got a Y for SOBR? Cause I'm on my HH time now, man. If it ain't got no catalyst, I don't even want it no more. I need an extra filter. I need a better filter out already at 921. All right, killer. I need like when I look back at my month of May, and bro, I had like so few, my trades per week were like half of what they've been since. So the catalyst filter helped, reduce the things that I'm allowed to watch, and that's a good thing. It's a very good thing. Yeah, nobody cares about this stock anymore. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm done with the 15. Straight like that. Opening price at 8.5. Roger that. Yeah, come on down, man. I need you to come holler at this EMA one time. Yeah, that's nice, Focus. That's nice. You guys got me thinking about percentages lately since our talk yesterday. I didn't even read over my rules this morning yet. Here we go. All right. Uh all right. I'm gonna just read over my rules one time. This is for me. If you guys care, I'm just trying to drill it in for myself because every day when I make a mistake, it's like written down right there, and I'm like, bruh, I had it written down. So my strategy: I trade 5-minute uptrends on low floats that are gapping up with news. Everything I got on watch is a low float that is gapping up with news, so that's good. All of them are above the EMA. I used Let's go. Stock selection criteria 2.5 and up, 30 million float or less, fresh catalyst, abnormally high volume, must be first day green after narrow range red. I think we got that. Well, the red doesn't, it just has to be narrow range. It doesn't have to be necessarily red. That's good enough here. This doesn't look like it's going anywhere. Yeah, at all. Hmm. We'll see. Um, Day one gappers. Yep. Yeah, it's definitely about the percents. All right, so previous day wide range is not in play. Gapped into resistance is not in play, which I mean, that's pretty much KZIA right now. Well, it hasn't gapped into resistance. That would be up here. Yeah, I don't know, man. Backside gap up. Oh, you talking about because of this? Backside of this one. I mean, we're talking about a couple weeks ago, man. And again at 793. Man, Rob. Main thing I wanted is the entry criteria. Line drawn over the last swing high after breaking below the EMA on the 5, then a higher high over the line, and a higher low that holds the line. Entries next candle to make a new high. Stop under trigger candle. Once entry candle closes, stop is moved up to entry candle's low. Entry should be above line in the sand. Nullifiers. Higher high has climactic volume. Draw a line over the high, wait for EMA reset. Pullback is wide range on high volume. Draw a line over the high, wait for EMA reset. Pullback does not hold resistance or support, I guess would be the proper word. Draw a line over the high, wait for EMA reset. Taking profit. Oh snap! I totally forgot. You put that in Discord focus, or was that an email? Checking that out right now. It doesn't look like anything's setting up for me anytime soon. Profit must be taken at a level previously rejected. Fourth green candle, wide range candle on volume. I think on those wide range candles, like yesterday, man, I should have been trying to get off at least 2/3 on that pop. That was a really good pop. Man, that was a really good trade. I mean, in the chat. Oh, my bad, bro. Out again. Bruh, you just sitting there tearing it up. Man, this thing ain't gonna come back down. Man. Golly. I know, Rob. They just rolled out on me. Golly. What's up, technical? SUGP. Nice daily. Especially over that dollar. Okay, KZIA turning around a little bit. All right. Let's see here. $10.20. Evoke. Yeah, Evoke is gone, man. They done ran off on the plug, bro. It's over. Daily pivot 10.18. That's perfect. Got my line right there at 10.21 for the higher high. BTCT down to the EMA on huge red volume. Slab City. Only 1 million shares traded. I don't think anybody cares about BTCT. Man, I don't know if it's silly to not have the 15 up. The water's fine. Yeah, bro. You on fire right now, Rob. Hot fire. What else? Game. What's up, OG? Workhorse. Yeah, Workhorse was putting in work yesterday for sure. Yeah, I'm all over EVOK. Yeah, second day mover there. Holding up pretty good. Well, until 270 came about. Dang, EVOK holding that pre-market, bruh. Dang, man, if it squeezes over pre-market high now, it might be over. Yeah, KZIA is actually starting to shape up really nicely. Just need that good higher high. Got the EMA reset on deck. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I'd really like it back over 1020. Just looks really slow. Yeah, I looked at kids this morning. Actually meant to ask you about that, Trey. The gap has fallen. The gap has fallen. Nothing exciting about it now. Hmm. It's on the low. My bad. KZIA is number 9. What's number 1? Proc BMGL. Man, Proc is like, bro, Proc over pre-market high could be absolutely ridiculous. Cause you got yesterday's shorts and today's shorts. Like, pew. Hey, EVOK coming back in for me. Need that. But anyway, let me get out of here. SODR. Okay. That's holding up too, man. It's too bad this don't have any actual news. Like, there's still no reason for why this thing is moving right now. Yeah. Yep, KZIA is shaping up, man. It's shaping up. Just need that high. EVOK down to VWAP. We need much further down than that. That's a pretty vicious slap on the 15 there. BMGL. Did I look at that today? UPXI. It's curling up. Yeah, I know. I'm just interacting with my peeps, checking out what they trading. I got my list over here. Appreciate you looking out though, because you know, brother, slip and fall in a stock easy. SUGP halted up. Wow, it's really extended. Wow, it really moved nicely off of that high right here. That's what's up. That's a nice move. Haltitious though. In Procket 6. Pull back in a little bit. Oh yeah. This is the setup too, man. It's just wide range and nasty, but yeah, I like that one. that looks great. It's about to go. Let's go, Leon. Bro, it's so close. Hmm. Hey man, a lot of people ain't got that, bro. So very lonely. Only got these dollar bills to hold me. Hey, oh, you got it. It looked like it was a guarantee, Leon. Yeah, the one was like guaranteeing a move up. That's like one of them Rob guarantees right there. Yeah, EVOK coming on in. Yeah. Get them shorts piled in there nice and excited like. Alright, got a high right there. What is that? 84. Man, this is a nice candle here, boy. 15 looking great too. Over 990. What's that? Proc, Rob? Mm-hmm. You still got an eye on BTCT over here. The Joker look tired. Tired. No, I needed to come down more though. Yeah, it's holding really well though. Gang. Next candle on Evoke. Oh yeah, I do see it. Got the little trend line there. Man. Yeah, I see. Yeah. Gonna have a wide stop on that one. She need to come on down to 6. Come holler at 6 one time. Already broke the previous low of day, man. We can do that. Under 789 is cooked. Yeah, this gonna be it right here, man. I'm feeling the feels over here on KZIA. It can hold up. What's this high days? 990. Yeah. What's this? Actually, this day is looking real sketch. But we already traded through it in pre-market, so that's kind of what got me feeling not too worried about this. First, third. Oh, you didn't sell 650? Yeah, that's super nice, Leon. Way to go there, sir. Nice. Yeah, buddy. I needed that thing to command. This thing better not go crazy. Just relax. Just relax. Like that you're over 10. I mean, this is really like a 15 play for real. Ah, come on, bro. Don't go crazy. Yeah, come on back. Why you had to make a higher high right there? Sheesh. It's pulling back too much. I mean, I guess, yeah, it's 50 cent right there. Sheesh. Yeah. Wow. That thing running. That's what's up. Bro, this thing gotta chill. Huh. I know, man. It's so wide though, man. I don't want a 50 cent stop, bro. This candle's huge. I'll take it though. 960. Ah, that's even worse. 967, bro. Ain't no way around it. On KZIA? Yeah. Mm, yeah. Mind the line. Woo wee. Look at that 1 minute, bro. Looking very solid. It's gonna go without me, bro. Yeah, there she goes. Yeah, you're right. Multi time frame FOMO. Yeah, you're right. Let's put that back. I should. The 15 was clean though, man. That's okay though. I'm just gonna wait for the pullback. Golly, man. What up, Paul? What's going on? Man, I think we cool though. We got two of them that look like very viable. KZIA waiting on a pullback, and in the middle of a pullback on EVOK, coming on down to 6. Yeah, I like it, man. I just need an entry. I just need an entry. Now this thing just kicked out. Highest volume of the day. That ain't cool. What do I do with this thing? I can't remember what the flow was on this. I wish I could have that stuff on the chart. Like, that would be so sick to have it all right here. There's got to be a way. Look at EVOK. That's a pretty little candle right there. Day trade dash, yeah. Man, I don't know, bro. This looks like a, yeah. Almost just want to take the break over that, but let's wait and see if we get a nice pullback. Back to my line here. BMGL. Hmm. One 1.3. 1.3 million. Hmm. Evoke with the nice bounce. Hmm. You in? That was clean, man. Bad feel. What is this? Yeah, bro, it's like a 50 cent stopish. Well, nah, if you went in under here, your stop is tight, tight. Oh, wow. The market is back. 765. Oh, okay. 10 cent could have been worse. Yeah, it looks really solid. It is beautiful. Stop is what? Just under 7, Trey? Opening 850. Man, that'd be a nice move up. Target 929. D. You can do it. That seemed like a big hold for you, Trey. That seemed like a big hold. Very possible though. Yeah, you definitely gonna need a big boom boom candle. All right, now this is a little too much of a pullback. What's happening? What's happening? See, this is the play I be talking about that I want to take, where you get the peekaboo high that makes the higher high, and then it pulls back, and then the next candle breaks back through. That'd be making me want to take that, but this actually could be just the lower high. But if it breaks that, it would not be. It would not be. Resistance at 8.3. Yeah, I was wanting to see a higher low above 8 for me to jump in. But if this guy can hold this level right here, I'm gonna put it at 90. No, it's supposed to be there. Still got wrong. What's that looking like on the one? That stop sauce right there. Dang. That sucks. Ooh, what is this? Why is the range so big on these candles, bro? That's all right. On to the next. On to the next one. Yep. Next. Next trade. Yo, KZIA is doing the dance over here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Leon. That's how we rolling over here. Yeah, KZIA did the whole dance for me. A whole dance. Just waiting a minute and a half. Hopefully it could chill out right there without going up too high. Just slow your roll. Oh, man. Oh, man. Paul said it's not doing nothing. Yeah, nah. I mean, I wouldn't mind the EMA reset on EVOK. Paul can see the future. CLDI. I come right back though, because we got 30 seconds. Yeah, that's a nice daily too, man. Very nice. Low 21. Dang, man. That's such a wide stop. But it is what it is. Nobody's looking at it. High 1027. See if we can sneak that stop in a little higher. Doesn't look like it. It's definitely not holding the line anymore. EVOK over here. Yeah, that ain't it no more. Man, that last 15-minute candle just got completely engulfed. $7.51 trigger. Oh yeah, back in. What up, Ben? I thought you was gonna come tell us where the money's at. I was about to message you in the Discord, man. Yeah, you ain't take it. Microdot. Whoa. Nice little run up there. Oh, you already had it. Nice. Come on. Well, there's the lower low. EMA reset. Death. Oh yeah, SOBR. I was liking it a lot, but just no news, man. No news. Wow, look at that hammer right there. That looks pretty solid. Back in. Hammer candle trap, huh? What's up, Adrian? Yeah, CLDI. Pretty clean play. Slapped out. Dang, bro. Hmm. One hour left. All right, make it count, bro. Take a breath, reset, recalibrate. Just want to bring it all back, man. I think you take that mug over 65. Back over VWAP through the trend line. Or you can wait for this higher high first. Yeah, Evoke's holding up, man. This got to be the one for us today. All right, we got 27 in here hanging out. Hit that like button for me, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Come on and join the community, man. 741. 741. Was that like a penny over VWAP? Couple pennies over VWAP? Where are these triggers coming from, Trey? You use just like the break of the trend line, just, or, whatever you consider a significant level of a trend line break. Yeah, man. The ads are here to help support the struggle, man. So hope you guys don't mind and watch them and help support the boy. Por favor. We official now, man. We out here. SDT. What's Proc doing, man? This might be the end for Proc. Body breaks. Okay. 16-cent profit. Proc 725. Yeah, it might be a wrap, man. This is like that's why I usually don't like this. I don't trade the second day because usually, I mean, it'll push and then get slapped and sell off. Yeah, that's definitely not the goal at all. Um, yeah, that's definitely not the goal. The idea was that by the time I got profitable, I would have, an established YouTube channel as well. And then, I could make legitimate content, build a legitimate community, and, make money from YouTube and make money from the market. Um, CLDI. Oh, is it? Let me check that. Testing, testing. I'm tapping the yellows, so I don't want to turn it up too much higher. But let me know. I'll mess with it some more if you need me to. Sometimes I get a little chill though, and I'm just like talking low, so I might need to just wake up a little more. Hmm. This might be the one right here. Back up to 1079. I just got an email from Turtle Stars. You guys heard of that? Turtle Stars says I'm reaching out from Turtle Stars, a new platform offering free real money day trading tournaments. Our goal, give traders a way to practice, compete, and win without risking real capital. Here's why your audience might love it. Hey, wait, I'm doing free promo right now. Hold on, man. Oh, snap. This is a sponsorship email. Oh, snaps. Hey. Hey. It sounds pretty cool too. I had to check this out, y'all. I'm missing it. This thing ain't even on my radar, bro. It's got to be halting like every 5 seconds, you know? Oh, do you? What do you know about it, Ben? You ever looked into it? I don't know. Evoke looking kind of. Okay, hold on now. Nope. It said it's 100% free. I'll check it out. Free practice sounds awesome. Now this look like the real trend line break right here. You need that candle to make a new high. That's what be missing. Although you had that here, but you got in super high on this one. Yeah, I don't understand the entry on this candle, how you were getting in at 760 something when the oh really? That's not the impression I just got from this email. This email just sounds like a tournament type thing. BMGL. Hmm. The daily's not terrible. I mean, especially just to get back to pre-market high would be a great move, and I wouldn't think that's impossible. But yeah, I mean, you got the higher high over VWAP already. Just be waiting for a pullback to hold. Not bad. See, this is where I would think the trend line, because now you got a higher low. This is almost actually the EMA retest setup with the trend line. Retest, higher low. Hmm. I just always had in my head that the trend line break was still always the trigger would still depend on the next candle to make a new high. Which I mean you did get on there that way, but then you got back in over here somewhere here. Yeah, this is the entry that doesn't make sense to me. Okay. Yeah, actually, let me get this out of here. Yeah. What's popping right now? Y'all still in what was that CLDI? Thing just looking better and better. Now this is really nice. I like the pre-market break hold. Pop, 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 pop. Is Evo dying? What time is it? 10:28. Still got 30 minutes. All right, so we got the full EMA reset here. Leave it alone. Actually, when it was in pre-market, I wanted it to come down to 6. And the way it came down is actually pretty nice too. Like it wasn't like a straight down sell off. It's like a slow grind to the side. 640, 631. Yeah, I think 6 is incoming. Yeah. I think so. This thing just couldn't get going. Yeah, that's what I mean. BMGL. Well, it didn't give me an entry yet. If I was watching it, I'd still be waiting on the pullback. Yeah. Yeah, I still got I definitely got hope for EVOK for sure. I want the pullback. My entry is at the end of a downtrend. That's my entry. So while it's doing this, I'm just like waiting for it to find support. Like where's support? Especially like it's not that big of a retracement, you know. But now it kind of feels like the 15 is gonna want to come down to the EMA, which is a really big retracement. Yeah, it's not a full black star. Bro, this is the nicest pullback ever. Nah, this 15 is looking kind of scary though. Need like a nice big volume to give me some ending confidence down here. Man, it's gonna be a no trade day. Womp womp. I don't know. We got 30 minutes though. A lot can happen in 30 minutes. A lot can happen. Yeah. Wow, the market really dropped. Yeah, that's what's up, Leon. Europa. Not for me. I have not passed up any trades that fit my criteria. Um, CLDI is just too cheap for my taste. Like 250 feels cheap at this point. Um, but yeah, I mean when it's this low, how many halts has this? Has this halted at all? I would have expected this to be a total halt fest. Nah, I really got to trade less though. I gotta find. I gotta turn up the filter because like, what up, Jack? When I look at my most successful month, I only had like 10 or 12 trades each week. And since that month, I've been having like 20 something trades each week. And which is not a bad thing in itself, but for the strategy I trade, it just doesn't show up that often. So most of those trades that I'm taking are not my strategy. A lot of it is watching too much, and because like the desire to trade every day, like when I come in the morning and look through pre-market and I don't see anything that fits my criteria, those are the days that I need to not trade, but I usually end up taking 3 or 4 trades on those kind of days, you know. So that's what kills me, is not accepting that my strategy doesn't show up every day. My everything that I need to take a trade, it's not there every day. I mean, you'll have some weeks where it's super hot and, you got a lot of opportunity, but like in general, I'm probably going to have at least one no trade day every week, maybe two. So I got to come in and be ready for that. If today is in fact that day, the worst thing I can do is take a trade, you know, but it's just about the rules. I watch my strategy out trade me every single day, man. Every single day. Whenever I lose money, I look at my strategy and either the strategy would have kept me out of the trades or I would have made money on it. Yeah, it's bro, cause we love trading, man. It's like, so it's hard. It's I'm actually quite surprised that I've fallen onto a strategy that has me needing to trade so much less because I love trading a lot. Like I would have thought I would incline to a more scalping strategy so that I could be, tearing it up. But along with me wanting to take lots of trades, I also really like riding a trend, you know. So I realized that in order to find those nice trends, there's a lot of things that need to be in place and they don't happen that often in a predictable fashion. I mean, yeah, no, but see that messes up my journal stats. When I just come out here and just start playing around, it ruins my journal. My journal is like the journal is one of the most key resources in your trading journey. Like to be able to go look at a body of trades and see, to be able to make some connections and make sense of it and see where you're, falling short and where you could do better. If I have, you know, 30 trades of my strategy and then another 70 of just gambling, randomly taking ideas, when I go back to look through my journal, it's crap. It's like mud, It's like pointless. So it's like another layer of this coming in and being super disciplined and so that I can collect valuable data. Dang, you shorted that? Instant 30 points. Yo. Leon over there cooking like yo. Over there cooking, boy. Hey, Evoke is looking real saucy right now. I just need it back over 7. Back over 7, a little higher low. We can rock. We can rock. A little bit of buyer volume kicking in. 625. We'll see. I need them confirmations technical. Last week only one. See, bro? Yeah. That's that discipline, Leon. I need that so badly, bro. So badly. You in at where'd you get in at? You ain't even say when you got in. Look at you. What's your average, bro? 656. Okay. Okay. Target 750. Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Hey, bruh. If I get in before you get to target, you gotta save a third, bro. Just got in at 665. Man, I'm waiting. I'm super happy you guys are jumping in. It's making me more excited about the play, but I still gotta wait for my trigger. Let's see what happens at 7, man. All right, we got 7. Got in before Dirk. That's funny. All right. That's looking really good. Don't go too crazy, man. Hey, you got hit. There you go, Trey. Oh no. You need 750. You need 750. Who's that? Dirk that said 728. Yeah, Dirk hit. Dirk out of there. You sold it all, Dirk? Let's go, man. Get to the bag, y'all. I'm right behind y'all, man. I just need that red candle to print, and we in there like swimwear. Hit the like button, y'all. We having a great time in here. Oh yeah, you all out of there. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with that. You can get right back in, right? Ain't that what y'all tell me? Just jump back in. All right, come on, pull back and come get me. Pull back and come get me. Every day. Little bounce off VWAP. Come on and come get me. 5 minutes. Oh yeah, it needs a couple red candles. All right, I ain't mad at you, bro. Do your thing, man. Do your thing. Your stop is low a day though, bro. You can afford to come get me first, man. You can afford to come get me, bro. I just need to pull back to 7. I ain't gotta go near low a day. Don't be selfish. And you better not touch your damn stop either. Yeah, look at the one, man. It's just a clean little pullback. No panic. Clean little pullback. Just needed to chill. Oh, man, I don't know if it's going to chill here for another 3.5 minutes, though. That part is sketch. Prayers up. uh, yeah, bro. I hit 1,000 subs for a brief moment yesterday, just enough to turn on the monetization. So, yeah, man, we official now, bro. Struggling day trader is official. YouTube was like, let me drop an ad right here. I'll break you off. Yeah, buddy. Hold up. Just hold up for your boy one time. 2.5 minutes, man. 2.5 minutes. Mm-hmm. Just hold on, Trey. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Oh, you way down here though. You straight, bro. You ain't gotta worry. Ooh, that smack off VWAP though. That does make it kind of scary, huh? Now I wish you would have got your 750. It came so close. 740. What did you need? 51. That's all right. Oh yeah, we looking good. We looking good, man. We looking good. It's just stalling so that this candle can close so I can get in. That's all. Just showing a little love. Showing a little love. That's enough. That's enough. buddy. Open at 719. Yeah, if this thing just closed over 7, bro, I would be elated. It's gotta be the bottom. Wipeout. What's up, Wave Rider? What you over there trading, man? I like this volume profile on the 1. 15 is a little sketchy feeling. All right, got 40 seconds. Come on, let's pop up there over 7 real quick. CLDI, SUGP. Yeah, everybody been trading now. Low 663. Rinse and repeat. I'm with it, Rob. I'm in there over 725. 726 is the magic print. Here we go. Hold on to your butts. Come on, 725. Come on, help us out, Bugs. Help us out, Bugs. I'm telling you, Bugs.
Order filled.
All right, here we go. Here we go. We got this high over here at 815 would be a great place to take some off. And then after that, we're looking at pre-market / high of day. Bugs for the dove. Hopefully we can have him counting up the bread at the end of this thing. That's what we really need. Come on, baby. Straight to 8. Straight to 8, man. One candle. 743. They coming for you, Trey. It's coming for you. Hold on, let's cover that up. Need all that information. Come on, baby. There's Trey. Let me get that 8. Let me get that 8. Boom. Let's go. All right, who next? Who next in line? What's your next target, Rob? Man. $7.89. All right, man. Let's get Rob out. And then I need my 8. Oops, what did I just do? Do that. Break even on the day. That's what I was wanting for you, bro. Erase them two losses just like that, man. 2-1 is beautiful. All right, we looking nice on the 1 though. I just hope this ain't a lower high on the 15. That's the scary thing. Scary thing. Yeah, 2 R's. Nice, man. Yeah, bro. Think we got one more push before we gonna need a 5 minute pulley. Wow, you still in there, Leon? I know you are. You don't get all the way out like that. Yeah, no doubt. I told you to hold some if I got in. Oh, you didn't take any profit yet? Here we go. Come on, Rob. You next. Rob needs 789. I'm just waiting for the squeeze. I want to see that Joker shoot up. And then I'm gonna just hit it. 773. Come on. It's looking really good, y'all. There it is. There it is. Come on, give me 8. I ain't even really into the money for real yet. That don't matter. Let's get a third off on this pop. Oh, look at the volume, baby. Come on, man. Let's just go on straight to pre-market high, man. Don't even worry about it. Where you at, Bugs? Need you back in the game. This might be the top of this 5 minute. We might get a pullback after this. Really want to get a sell off through 8. What do we touch? 799. Come on, you can break that. Yeah. Come on, man. You can break that. It's moving pretty good though. Like, it's not like making crazy extensions. This could actually form a nice trend. The downtrend was nice. Did you get off? You got off, Rob. Yeah. You talking about because you sold, Rob? Man, hey, I'm over here nervous though, bro. Like, I'm like, man, I hope we keep going. But I mean, this is barely like 1 hour territory right here for me. Not that we count ours, but I at least want to get to this high 815. Uh, Man, that would be beautiful. You make me actually want to move that to my next target because this is pretty low. I'm in at 729 with a stop at 661. Yeah, it's almost $1. Come on, squeeze time. Limit up 921. I'm telling you, Rob, that would be, bruh, to go up to 921. I'm selling 2/3 if it does that. Ah, come on, bro. It's right there. Um, I don't know. Low 679. Counting on it, Microdime. Yeah, I used to always enter on stop market entries. The reason I don't do it now is because my hotkey counts my shares for me, and I like that a lot. Yeah, I wanted 725. Yeah, I'm at 729. I think I'm actually saving that. Moving up to that low only gives me a few pennies. I guess 10 cent. Yeah, over 72 shares. I don't care about that. I'd rather stay under the low, which is 63. I like this volume coming in if it can hold. This actually could be VWAP is the problem. We're at VWAP. If it can hold, we'll be straight. This actually might be like the most beautiful ad opportunity ever. Literally. Like the most beautiful ad. Might not even close the ad. It's just gonna run, which is totally fine with me. Yeah, I think this was gonna trend nice for us, man. It's been trending nice. It trended nice up in pre-market, trended nice down in the open, and now it's looking pretty good, man. The one looks solid. Yeah. Come on. Come on. All right. I think we can. Yeah. That's a real nice looking ad spot. 15 looking stronger. Last hour of the close. Yeah. What do we touch? 7.99. 2 minutes left on this candle. It's a really nice candle, man. I almost feel like I have to add over this. It's such a good setup, but I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. Oh, time and sales jumping. Time and sales jumping. Do we have 8? We got 8 on them. Come on, baby. Break it on through. Bugs at. Bring bugs back. Come on with it. There we go. That's it. Stop playing. Yeah, it definitely held. About to get cooked. 808 is that high of this move. Still got 815 over here. 850 sounds like a great target. If we can just get back over that high. Is it? That sucks. 29. 69 cents. $1.38. Yep. Yep. 860s. No, this is DOS. DOS Trader. What's up? Not in? Sure, it's gonna give up soon. They better get out the way. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for stopping in, man. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Got an awesome Discord community. Link is in the description. Come holla, man. Uh-uh. Bruh. Mm. Come on, 80s. Come on, 90s. Bruh. Man, this is a fight, man. It's a lot of indecision right here in this range. It could happen, man. It could definitely happen. Bro, what is the deal? I feel like I should move it up to this low. Like if it breaks down that far, this joint is finished. Yeah, I did. Gave me like 15 cents. Nah, man, for real, bro. For real, bro. Yeah. Mm. It just, I mean, it was nothing, bro. I guess I'm worried about my, yeah, I guess I was thinking of my R's at that point for sure. One R is about $8. So yeah, I mean, I could have took a third off right there just to lighten the load a bit. Well, let's see what these stop rules are talking about. Well, we hold this 15-minute low. Should be all right. Should be all right. It's actually a really nice reset on the 1 minute chart, too. Which from the last reset, we went from 612 to 8. So, could go from 619. Mm-hmm. This is all we need to get the pre-market high right here. It just really didn't seem that climactic to me in the moment, Ben. Um, yeah, it's definitely chopping right now. Hmm. Yeah, I do see that now. Well, we either gonna hold 7 or we're not. Losing one R and then let that the day ending, that's not bad at all, man. I could live with that. It's them 2, 3 R red days that's just like, bro, what are you doing?
But like losing on this trade right now, it just didn't follow through like I wanted it to. But entry was good. It went up into the money a little bit. Would have been cool to take a little off at 8. That would have been reasonable. But when I get in, the expectation is that we're going to get 2 or 3 higher highs on a trend. So, but I mean, a lot of these just pop and drop too. So I could definitely, you know, make some money by selling. Well, bro, I'm trading my strategy, right? Like if I start making my moves because of you, what am I gonna do when you're not here one day? Well, there's a reason for that. There's a reason for that because I want the beginning of an uptrend. I don't want just the pop. I want an actual uptrend. So I don't know. We'll see. The 15 is scaring me for sure. Um, CDIL. Yeah, exactly. Like I want to be able to make one buy and get all the way up to the high of the trend instead of, in and out, in and out, in and out. Like I want to find that point where I can buy and possibly ride up to high of day, you know. Hey, that's what's up, Jack. Way to go, bro. Have a good one, man. Chinese stock. Let's just see how this plays out. I'm telling you. Feel like volume's kind of slowing down though. Well, not feel like, but it's obvious. But that's cool on the pullback. I wanted to slow down on the pullback, and then I wanted to come back in with a vengeance right now. It's really what needs to happen. Need some big money to slap some orders in. I know, bro. I was literally this. I was looking at this high right here, 815, man, and it was right there. I was just waiting for the pop, and I was gonna hit that button. But I mean, that was good enough, I guess. Been cool to put a little arrow right there. I would have been proud of that. Little dip and rip. A little dip and rip. Hold up. 729 is the high of the okay. I'm cool with that. Shoot, stop placement for the win, boy. 3 cent. We'll see though. We need to get back up there, man. That's a nice little pop for the last minute of this candle. Let's see what this next candle does. Yo, we get over that 815 now. Hey. Hey. What's this high? 740. Back to that 740 high. Same from over here. But now we starting from here instead of down there. $96. $8.89. Volume that came in on the one. Let's break that 740. Yeah. Yeah, I'm seeing it too. There's 740. Come on, back to the 30s, yo. Yeah. Bro, they putting the shares up on that on the ask, man. Y'all need to chill out with all these walls. Yeah. I can't even mess around with them sub-dollar joints. Don't say it ain't so, man. Oh yeah. Penny stock theme. When all the attention is down there, yeah, that's whack. I like that 5 to 10, man. That 5 to 10 is the bread and butter. 100%, Ben. 1000%. It really makes it so much easier to just trade your rules. It's gonna break it even stronger now, though, Paul. If it can get back up there, it's gonna really break it. It was a pretty big move, you know. It moved from 612 to 8, you know. $2 move. Now we got 680. Yeah, we got 880 in the bag. We got 50. Come on, it's time for that extendo. All this back and forth, man. Can we get 3 green candles in a row? Ah, okay. Ah. Nah, I don't think I've ever mentioned entry price. My thing is, after my entry candle closes, I move my stop up to the low of that entry candle, and then I wait. And the only time I can move my stop up is if we get a higher low pullback on the 5, and then it makes a higher high push over the last high. At that point, I can move my stop up to the higher low. But for now, just chilling until either profit or stop out. All right, Rob. I still waiting for you to respond to my email, Rob. I sent you an email. I've been saying it for like 3 days. I'm like, well, maybe you don't want to email me back. What's up, Rob? Check your email, man. Got me in the spam box. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know, man. Why this thing won't just go? It's a 15-minute pullback, bro. This is a lower high on the 15. It's about to come back to the EMA. That's what I think now. No worries, Rob. Uh, what a grinder, man. It's actually a chill pullback on the 15. I just can't afford to let it make another low. Hmm. Kinda. It could just go sideways for the rest of the day too. Don't forget that variable. But yeah, I mean, the longer it doesn't go down, the more it makes me feel like, okay, well, we can still go up. But hope rarely goes in your way in this game. Yeah, hope usually hope hits the stop loss. But the strategies at work, we'll just see. They putting some walls up at 7. It's cool to see. Hmm. Seven is stacked. But where's the buyers? That's the only problem. Where's the buyers? Got another 5 minutes on this 15-minute candle. Ah, a little wall broke. Appreciate it, Trey. uh, Lunchtime. All right, Wave Rider. Thanks for hanging out, man. Don't forget to hit that like if you haven't yet, sir. Appreciate you. It's kind of giving me vibes from yesterday when I had a little pop and didn't sell into it. I had way more profit on the table yesterday, though. This would have been like nothing.
Order filled.
Well, that's how the cookie has crumbled today. And you know, it's kind of the same two things on the 15. I think I was trying to disregard the 15 today because I feel like it was too many mines. I actually intended to only have the 5 up, but like the 15 was downtrending to the EMA. Like if this pulled back and it was just that second candle and then it bounced, but then you get the lower high and now it's breaking down more. So yeah, you're probably gonna get this back down to the EMA. I gotta stop taking the 15 in spite of the 5, or the 5 in spite of the 15. I don't know. I never really consider the cost of the position. Um, it's I don't know. I guess because it's not my money, it's irrelevant to me. The cost of the position. It's just the risk. The risk is the only part of my money that's really involved. And I mean the risk on the trade. The risk on the trade is the distance between the entry and the stop loss. But I'm trying to switch my thought process to not consider that when I'm taking profits though. Um, like because if I had a super tight entry, that was like 680, for sure I would have sold up here, right? And been up like 3 or 4 R. But because my entry was high, I neglected to sell. So that's kind of another thing. Um, yeah, the 15 was hella downtrending. Hella. Especially with this pop right here. This lower high, and then it moved back down some more. And then, I mean, it really just made a lower high again. But this is a nice pullback. But it's still far from the EMA. I mean, it makes sense if the 15 is downtrending to not buy the 5, you know? um, man, it's taking it back another level. At that point, when we just do the retest and then entry on the 1. Definitely something I thought about quite a bit. But it just, yeah, I know, right? I definitely don't want to move into a territory of taking more trades. But hey, moving that stop up to the low of the entry candle is the move, man. Not even down a whole R. Okay, I see. I get that, Microdon. Hmm. Yeah, I get that. I think this is though pretty much like when it moves this far in pre-market and is so far away, like you gotta get you need to see something on the 15 to say that it's not downtrending. And that thing has not presented itself yet. We just got this sell signal up here, lower high here, and another lower high here. But yeah, in hindsight, it would have been very nice to get a sell right there. It wouldn't have been much, but it's all it gave me, you know? And I was sitting there watching it struggle at 8. Just sell some. Just a third. It's not that bad. Hmm. Now I want to see if this 15 is going to hold this low. Try and move back up. This candle would need to be the one to go, though. Yeah, for sure. I definitely agree with that technical. Um, yeah, this thing is done, so looks like. Yeah, thanks, Paul. I feel pretty good about it. I just think I need to look at the 15 a little bit longer before I feel like the 5 is ready. Like, this is a pretty nasty pullback. with no support. You know, I mean, you got the $6 level, but what does that mean on the daily? Nothing. Nothing. So now that looked like the bottom again. It's like that did. Mhm. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm gonna just call it there, man. That was my window, 9:45 to 11. Um, yeah, I would say, hmm, yeah. Also, when they're alternating like that, it's just so choppy. Just gotta take profits, man. I gotta take profits sooner. Just take a third off, and then the meat and potatoes will be on that 2/3 position. Yeah. You talking about this guy here getting in on this move up over this high? I like it, but it's like, what's to tell me that it's not just gonna make a higher low, bounce off VWAP, and then continue down? Well, this one, which one? I entered here. You said one, two. We talking about 1035 or 1030 candle? This one? Yeah, that was a sweet entry, bro. Okay, yeah, this candle. You talking about the 1030 candle, right, Trey? No, I mean that's the entry candle for sure was 1035. But 665. All right. $684 would have been a really nice entry, man, for real. Tell him, Trey. High was 666. Okay, yeah, I see that. Mhm. This was a choppy high to pick too. Like that would have actually been the high, and then maybe this one, and then that never held, so that wouldn't have triggered. Yeah, I might need to stop sneaking in these little. I mean, it's still a high. It's still a 5 minute high. It's just choppy. Man, Uncle Paul, I remember when you told me last week or so about the chop, the alternating green red candles, and that stood out to me for a couple of days. I need to write it down. Um, Actually, I can write that on one of my nullifiers for the entry. Uh, Downtrending on the 15. 657.
I totally see the entry, Rob, and it's a killer entry, but I like to hold too long to take that entry. It looks like a signal you could take on the 5 and trade on the 1 though. But what I really want to do is take my signals on the 15 and trade on the 5, I think. Yeah. No, I hear you. I hear you. What was that yesterday that I was that KALV that happened? Where it had the pop? Is that not how you spell it? K. That's not it. What was we trading yesterday? BSOK. That's my internet is bugging right now. Drop some frames on the stream. Okay. Yeah, this was mad ridiculous. No, this wasn't it. This was it. This was it. Golly, bro. I can't believe I didn't get no shares off. That's so annoying, bro. But what I wanted to see was the 15 at this moment. Yeah, my internet is lagging. Man, I need to just go on and get a long Ethernet cord and just plug right on in. Bruh. I'm glad I'm not in a trade right now. It's ridiculous. Yeah. I really can't be mad about where I entered on the 15. I just should have sold. There's no other way. There's no other way. Yeah. Hey, the 15 is turning up right now, though. Yeah. Yeah. All right, but I'm done though. I'm really want to mind my 11 o'clock. No entries after 11. I really want to mind that, and I want to have a consistent routine that I follow before I start trading and after I start trading. Make sure I get my reviews and journaling done and all of that stuff. So it looks like it's about to go, but I'll just come back tomorrow, man. Minus 38 bucks on the day. That's super cool. It's not bad at all. On a trade that checked the boxes on the 5 at least, but maybe learn some lessons on the 15 as far as not buying a downtrend on the 15. But I mean, it looked like it was in a good spot to turn around. So really can't be too mad at myself for it. But yeah, man, I'm gonna wrap it up and I will be back tomorrow. Appreciate all y'all for hanging out with me and all the support and fun and trading, and congrats to all the W's today. And we'll be back tomorrow, man. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Peace.